The week-long competency hearing for Utah death row inmate Ralph Menzies came to a close today, but the judge didn't make a ruling. Our Kate Gardner breaks down what we learned over the week and how this case fits in Utah history.
This whole hearing centered around the question, can Ralph Menzies' dementia save him from execution? Well, for now, that question will go unanswered. After the state's last witness left the stand, Judge Matthew Bates made one thing clear.
I don't know how many people are here today hoping that I was going to make a ruling. I'm not going to.
Ralph Menzies' fate is still unknown. Menzies was convicted of killing Maureen Hunsaker in 1988. In January of this year, the Utah Attorney General's office filed a motion to set a date for his execution. But his attorneys argue that he can't understand why he's being executed due to vascular dementia. If this is true, he would be saved from the firing squad under a Supreme Court ruling from 1986. Since 1976, there have been 3 executions by firing squad in the Beehive State. Ronnie Gardner was the last person executed by this method in 2010. During the hearing this week, 2 psychologists hired by the state testified that Menzies is competent, including Dr. Ryan Green, the state's final witness.
Those cardinal features are so inconsistent that you couldn't clinically, I couldn't, I couldn't justify making that type of clinical diagnosis.
Before adjourning, Judge Bates explained why he did not make a ruling.
This is a complicated issue. There are significant legal questions that need to be answered by the court, significant factual questions that need to be answered by the court.
The judge asked both parties to submit a briefing to help answer those questions. They'll reconvene on December 9th, but he says he won't be making any decision on that day either. Reporting from the newsroom, Kate Garner, ABC4 News.